Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you an HD makeup look. Let's start with the tutorial. First, I'm cleansing the face. After that, I'm applying moisturizer all over and massage it until the skin feels soft and hydrated. The moisturizer I am using it is from Bioderma, which lasts long and it's easy available everywhere. Now I am moving on to the eye makeup base. I am applying concealer on the both eye sides, and see, you can see that I am applying it towards the right and towards the left and blend it properly. Blending is most important step in makeup, whether it's foundation or concealer. If you blend it well, you'll get the best result for it. For eyeshadow, I'm starting with the light pink shade, then adding a darker pink to enhance the eyes. On top of that, I'll apply pink glitter for shine and final finish with a touch of silver shimmer. Let's repeat the same step on the both sides. Before moving further, don't forget to apply lip balm to keep your lips moisturized. Now let's prep the base. I am applying a primer to set the skin for makeup. So I'm applying it everywhere. Next I am using orange color corrector only on the dark circles and pigment areas like under the eyes and around the mouth, blending it properly until it sets into the skin. Now you can see the way I am blending. You have to blend it this way. As I have told you, blending is very important in every step, whether it is foundation, whether it is corrector, or whether it is concealer. So you have to blend it properly. See every pigment sites. To cover the corrector, I am applying the dark shade of the concealer. This step is called neutralizing. Blending it well is most important, as I told you before also. Now I'm going to blend the concealer, which is named as neutralizer. Blend until you get it perfect. So this makeup is dependent on how you blended every product. Now I'm going with the foundation. Instead of buying many shades, I recommend keeping one lighter and one darker foundation, that mixing them to match the person's skin tone, applying evenly all over the face and blending it very well. So this is how you get their tone shades. So no need to buy many product and all other the kind of foundations, so which is you can take in a reasonable price, which is forever new. That is also a good product. So I'm blending it well. Now I'm applying the foundation everywhere. Now let's apply the concealer around the eyes and on the nose bridge. Blend it well and set it using an setting powder to prevent creasiness and wrinkles. Always be gentle so your client feels comfortable. Be very careful when you're doing it. Now I am doing it with the other side also and blending the nose bridge and applying the setting powder. Now set the makeup properly. Now I'll apply a bleach blush on the cheeks. If you want them, like if you want the blush to come properly, just tell them, the client, to smile so that it is able for you to do it properly. It makes application easier. Remember to keep the blush shades consistent on the both sides So don't put the other side higher shades and the other chick the lower shade. So please make sure that it's a proper shade the both side. For contour, I am shaping the nose to make it sharper. So I'm shaping it, you can say it. So you can put the both side. Then you have to blend it properly. Cover it with the blender. Now, and I'm applying the contour along with the jawline. Blend well and applicator to look natural. So blend that well. Once that's done, I'll lightly dust powder all over the face to look everything in. So if you're liking the makeup, you can comment me for other makeups that you want. I'll do other tutorials also. Now for the back to the eyes, I'm applying eyeliner. If you're not confident with eyeliner, practice on your hands at your home first. In my next video, I'll also share tips on correcting eyeliner mistakes. Now I'm going to apply it both the sides. See, you should be very careful when you're applying the eyeliner. It should not ruin all your makeups. If your eyeliner is not good, the makeup is going to look literally very different. Now for the eyebrows, comb them straight, then shape them neatly. After that, I am applying long lasting kajal. Be careful with the kajal choice, especially for functions, since emotions and tears can mess up the makeup. So be careful with what kajal you're using. Next, I'll be using a highlighter just to highlight a touch, not too much to give a face glow. And with the lipstick, so I'm just using a light shade of the pink one. So you can, if you want, you can even use a lip liner for it. It's option. If the client want, you can use it. Now I am putting the highlighter lightly because the client don't want it to be too much. So you can enhance with the highlighter. And now you can see the final HD makeup look. To finish, I am applying a setting spray so that the makeup lasts longer. If you enjoy this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Comment below if you have any doubt or if you are like me to create a specific makeup look in my next tutorial. Thank you for watching and keep supporting me, and bye for the day.